I, from time to time, we have been giving an update through the FDA group. We have been sharing all the information. What we are doing is we are strictly following the guidelines given by the Government of India as far as coronavirus is concerned. We have also today, I have during the course of the discussion, I intervened during the debate along with when all of us were present, and after discussing with Secretary Health and asked the Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan as far as Goa is concerned to allow us to have some sort of a interactive this thing with the Marmogua Port Trust as well as the Airport Authority. There should be some sort of a circular to be issued so that the Goa Health Department is able to take whatever steps they want as far as the purview of the airport is concerned and the port is concerned, where all these the cruise ships and all come. Now what is happening at the moment as we speak, we don't have that type of access, and as a result of which sometimes accessing, but we have got total cooperation from the airport director. He is very cooperative. The other day we had a meeting at the airport. I personally had a meeting with the airport director along with Secretary Health and Alok Saxena, who had come to review the facilities other than the coronavirus as far as Goa is concerned. Every additional secretary, joint secretary and several officers have been sent to a couple of states to see the status, what is being done. We have created all the isolation rooms, whatever is required as per the guidelines. We have gone ahead. Now, coronavirus is one thing, guidelines another thing, which has already been put in place, which is being strictly followed by the government of Goa. I have also circulated to you the exact what is the situation as far as the number of patients detected, how many are under observation. Each and every aspect is being provided to the media now. Another issue which has cropped up suddenly is the issue of mass gatherings. The government of India today, when we were discussing also on on the media on the video conferencing, I will just read out what they have suggested is people should be advised in interest of health safety to avoid mass gatherings. And it is very important because sometimes somebody comes from out. Suppose somebody has got, it is a contagious thing, somebody has this particular is a carrier of this particular coronavirus, then he can infect many other people. So as a result, there is a circular issued by Government of India that mass gathering should be avoided and the state should make sure that this is strictly implemented. And here it is very clearly mentioned that across the world experts have, which I am giving you, that queries, that mass gatherings, etc. in view of that, it's highlighted all these things should be avoided. So I am giving you a copy of the circular that has been issued. It also says that experts across the world have advised to reduce mass gathering to avoid the spread of COVID-19 novel coronavirus. In view of the above, it is advised that mass gathering may be avoided or possibly be postponed till the disease spread is contained. This is given by Government of India. In case such mass gatherings, the organized states must take necessary action to guide the organized on precautions to be taken as per risk communication material already sent as to avoid any severe acute respiratory illness cases and influenza-like illness, including coronavirus. But basically, in short, what they are trying to say is to basically avoid mass gatherings, and this is issued. And in addition, our people are facing from Goa, a lot of people are abroad. A lot of people who are working abroad are facing problems going back from Goa into Kuwait. Now the Kuwait embassy has come out with a circular saying that they need a certificate of fitness, that they are not a carrier of this. And what has happened, they have identified 3 diagnostic labs, which I have also never heard of these labs. They are neither government hospitals or anything. They have given some, I have given the list for you. List to you to go through. So what is happening is that some people have approached DHS, also Director Health Services, and our doctors, asking them whether certification can be done. But here in their embassy circular, it is mentioning 3 centers, and those centers are refusing to give fitness certificate or certification because the possibility, if they do not give a right certificate, their license also can be cancelled, because this is very strictly being monitored by Government of India. And I strongly feel that we have talked to today. I have drawn the attention of Union Health Secretary Mrs. Preeti Sudan, who was sitting along with Dr. Harshvardhan for the meeting, say that to please take it up with the embassy, and also to in consultation with the government of Goa, we must have a proper center. It can be Goa Medical College or it can be any other center that we can monitor, so that we can give these certificates to this after having thorough verification done, so that the people can, lot of people who have come, just today one lady came to my office also. She says that I cannot go back because I don't know how to resolve this issue. And now this is not only issued by Kuwait. I am told that many other UAE countries also have issued this type of a circular. As a result, making it difficult for people who are already outside, especially Goans who are working. Down the lady who I am speaking of, he's already has a job and she has to report there back. So she cannot stay for more than the leave period that she is entitled to. So as a result of which, this is becoming a problem for our people who are working outside the state of Goa. So today after the meeting, Dr. Disa was also present. Secretary asked me to take this issue up with the union minister because I was sitting with the secretary and discussing what are the issues that we need to address as Goa is concerned. And second thing we said is, in addition, we should send another, because we've got those guns which are used, basically those scanners. And those are the ones which we don't have the actual thermal scanners, though we have already returned to them to provide us thermal scanners. And now initially what happened is that they had restricted to 21 airports, and then they have increased the list. But now, since the spread is all over the place, it is important that our area, our state also, which is a tourism destination, that we have these type of facilities available at the airport. And also I have requested is that, since this is a issue and this is a virus that is spreading, and till now we don't have any kind of a cure for this particular infection, is to strictly, me as a Minister for Health in the state of Goa, I appealed to him that along with me, Minister for Kerala also appealed for the same thing, that ports and airports, we must be able to have some sort of a linkage with the concerned heads of both the airports as well as the ports, so that we are able to, in a proper manner, we are able to monitor and as per the guidelines implement and strictly monitor the facilities as far as the scanning and other things are concerned at the airport. Then it becomes easy for us to function. Now this is very important, they have assured us. And also when we were speaking, there was the Ministry of External Affairs people were also online. So basically this issue, such as these type of public, but they have not yet given a full-fledged assurance. But we are now, I am going to write an email today addressing this specific issue pertaining to Goans who are working abroad, who need to return back to their jobs. So this is very important. So no, I am going to write to Health Ministry. Health Ministry has to take up with External Affairs Ministry, because it is they have to take it up. They have to take it up on behalf of all the health ministries. I have on the video conferencing, we have already taken up the issue. Today we had a video conferencing to all the health ministers across the country, along with Dr. Harshvardhan and his team. So basically what my also other thing is, through the media, to make the people aware that, mass gathering should be avoided. And don't take a risk in today's time. At least next 2-3 months we should actually avoid these mass gatherings. Any programs which involve mass contact of people, I think should be avoided. And this is no, I am telling you what is issued by government of India, in interest of the people of Goa.
But are you going to recommend to the Chief Minister?
I will write today the mail that this is advisory that should be issued to everybody. Now, whether how many people listen to the advisory or no, that's why I have called a press conference today through your medium to keep the people aware that and through your medium is the most powerful medium. I will inform the Honorable Chief Minister about the steps that are being taken by the Government of India, and it is in public interest. This is today a situation where everybody is worried. The other day there was a family that had come from China. It was there again where doctor knows that they were already being monitored. Somebody called me in the middle of the night asking me what is the situation. So basically we addressed that particular issue, and we are taking strict measures. Anybody informs us also, we are immediately taking steps to see that the proper facilities are there, so that we are able to. We have also increased the number of isolation wards. You must have already heard. I already have in place a committee headed by the Chief Secretary to review all this from time to time. But I thought today, after the interaction with the Union Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, that I should speak to the media, address you and tell you that everything is being monitored. We are not going to allow any kind of a situation to happen in the state of Goa. Just like Kerala is being taking accurate steps, Goa is also, because I think some of the members were a little concerned about what steps we are taking. So I thought it is better to inform everybody, and we are open to, if there is anything going wrong anywhere. But we will not allow any mistakes, because we are going strictly by the manual that is given by the WHO and Government of India. They have a specific manual under which, under those guidelines, we are taking all the measures that are required as far as this is concerned. Also, second thing is, in some countries, wherever in case there are some colleges or somebody is infected, they are taking a call whether they need to keep the colleges open and all. But we have not reached that stage here in Goa as yet. Or we don't want to. And also hygiene is something which is very, very important. Hygiene is something, through your medium we have to inform everybody that hygiene is something people should, this is the most important aspect as far as containing this virus is concerned. Very important to have proper hygiene and other things, and this is the way we want to take things forward. If there's every information that is there in your mind as the status report as of today, I have given you and given it to you. Even the circular of Kuwait Embassy, I have given it to you, and I think we have also given the third thing about mass gatherings. What is there? I do understand that Shigmo and other things are there, but in this today's situation, one has to look at one's own health and see what is best for one's family, and then take a call. आयन करप ना ते हांव लोकांक फक्त केंद्र सरकारान जें सांगलां, एक्सपर्ट्सान जें सांगलां की मास गॅदरींग, डॉक्टर मास गॅदरिंगान लोकांनी सहभाग जावं न्हय, हे एक म्हायती तेणी दिल्ली आसा, आनी हे तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी लोकांक सांगता की तेणी हे बी सांगलेलें आसा की we have to then advise the organizers on what are the steps they need to take. But you know how difficult it is sometimes. If there is a mass gathering of more than 1,000 people, then in that gathering it is definitely very difficult to have all guidelines followed. So it is important each person has to take a call pertaining to his own family, what he feels, and it is according to me as a minister and health minister in today's time, and what we are seeing this exponential increase everywhere and new cases being found in different parts of the country, it is better that people keep away from mass gatherings.
तुमकां दिसता की शिगम्याचे वखद ती गांव शहरा शिगमो जातलो आतां गव्हर्नमेंट शिगमो सरकारचे सो तो
ना पळय हांव ते ना I feel that everybody has to take a call based on whatever the guidelines are being issued by the government of India. My job is to inform the media what has come from government of India, what has transpired today during the video conferencing. And all the health ministers across the country are very happy with these type of guidelines, are implementing these guidelines. So
की महाराष्ट्र सरकारान आजूच हे केला की महाराष्ट्रान जे जात्रा जाता आनी धुळवड जे गुलाल खेळटा ते सगळे बॅन केला
ना
बॅन करपाचे विचार आसा
ना बॅन म्हाका दिसता की आमचो गोंयचो लोक बरो हुशार आहा. तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी जर मेसेज पावयली की अशें प्रिकॉशन घेवपाची गरज आहा, आमचो लोक योग्य तरेचो प्रिकॉशन घेतलो. आमकां ते स्पेसिफीक ऑर्डर काडून ते करपाची गरज ना. आय डोंट थिंक पीपल ऑफ आवर पीपल आर व्हेरी, दे रीड द न्यूज पेपर एवरी डे, दे वॉच द केबल चॅनल्स एवरी डे, and people are also anxious about their own health, and I'm sure people will take precautions whatever it is, and it's a phase we are going through. And also today when we were discussing, next 2-3 months are very crucial for us. So why do we want any kind of situation? Suppose somebody comes from out and he has passed through without getting scanned, and the problem is that this is a contagious thing. So as a result of which they have issued this circular. This is issued by government of India, not by government of Goa.
पण विजयान एक आरोप केला की ते हे आसा पण एअरपोर्ट थंयच्यान भायल्यान फॉरेनर येता ताची कांयच स्क्रिनींग जायना म्हणून बेश्टे येतात आनी तो कोणूच कांय ताका चॅक करना आनी ते
म्हणून हांव एकूच सांगू शकता की कदाचित विजय भायल्यान आयला काय ही आय डोंट ना, मे बी वॉट विजय इज सेइंग कॅनॉट बी डिस्प्युटेड. दॅट्स वाय वॉट वी हॅव सेड इज दॅट वी हॅव आस्क्ड द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया to give us some authority so that we can interact and put our systems in place within the airport, so that we can work in tandem with the airport's authority. It is important for us to work. This is a kind of a health emergency in the country, and as a result it has to be handled. And if you have to handle, then we have to suspend some basic rules which are there. Let me also put it on record. We have got all the support from the airport director. Is a very nice Mr. Gagan Malik is very, very helpful. And second thing is, most important is this port trust, because simply our doctors go, they will not give us access in the port trust. And Marmogua port trust, all those boats coming in, and what are the things we have to, somebody has to, shipping ministry has to give us access there, and this side airport civil aviation ministry through, that's why we put this submission to the union health minister to please do something so that he can speak to both these ministries to allow us access to the airport as well as the port.
So now with tourism coming up, now with tourism, Michael and all are saying that tourism, domestic tourism is going to increase. Now in India itself already morning I think 31 people including in Delhi and Jaipur, and lot of tourists are coming into Goa. Now I traveled the other day from Delhi. You just walk through. So what now about the foreigners and all steps are being taken? What about the locals? Also by train, lot of trains are
all these issues which are all relevant issues, because I just mentioned just now, because when somebody I think he mentioned that how will you manage in a mass this thing, you know, if there's a big program.
Elections also.
So ZP tomorrow is ISL match. There are 25,000 people
No,
who are expected.
I cannot cancel a match, right? I as a health minister can only share with you through the medium is that mass gatherings are not advisable. and this is also endorsed by Government of India through a circular. And it is important for people of Goa to follow this circular that is issued by Government of India. Every state is happy with the circular. They've asked for stringent more guidelines
Sir,
to be
can we
issued. So
say
we
that the-
no 1 minute. What I'm saying is that I'll just tell you what happened. Then what they are saying is that in addition, today there will be fresh guidelines there is a possibility of fresh guidelines coming out after the interaction with all the health ministers of the country. Each health minister gave his apprehension. Punjab health minister gave his view. Maharashtra gave his view. Somebody else. What you said is absolutely correct, that we need to check every passage. But for that we require some basic flexibility in the rules. And also second thing is the dean is also procuring more equipment and other things what are required in order to see that we are one step ahead of the other states in order to have all the facilities as far as the coronavirus isolation wards and all are concerned.
Ayush Ministry has given one guide. They have given some arsenic 30 or something. They've asked to take one. What any coordination done with the?
No, I'm honestly speaking, I will have to talk to Honorable Minister Ayush on that, but I am talking about the guidelines issued by the.
Officially, I said.
No,
Official,
maybe so they may have discussed something there, but I don't have any information of that. But as far as the guidelines that are there are very specific, and every alternate day, I just want all the media to know, every alternate day the Secretary Health, Government of Goa is in touch with our team, with the Union Ministry Secretary Health. So Preeti Sudan is in touch constantly with us, and we are seeing what you said just now, that every passenger coming in could have come from anywhere.
Exactly.
Okay, so that is something that has to be addressed. That is why we are saying mass communication, mass contact, hygiene, all these are very important. Like a lot of people I spoke to, who I know, who generally travel abroad in the month of April. There was another family that was having a destination wedding. I'm giving an example of people who I know in some place in June. But today everybody has cancelled everything.
Everything is cancelled. Yeah.
And today, if you look at the flow of people, travelers flow is international travelers has dropped by more than 40 to 50% and above, and people it is expected to go higher than that. So everywhere there is if you see in UAE also, they are saying that when you land, based on your case, they will decide whether they want to quarantine you or no. There is no guideline. Suppose they find that in your passport you have travelled somewhere in the last 20 days and you are not declared it possibility, you may also get quarantined. So basically what I am trying to say is that domestic, we have to be sincere to ourselves. If somebody, we are trying our best to see, as a result, if we need thorough coordination, there has to be 3 ministries that we have to. One is the railway stations, then we require the people coming into Goa people can come, you said there are 4 modes of transport. One is airways, one is railways, one is bus. Now we have to see where all, we need to see how to monitor. This is a Herculean task. If you tell me today, how will you manage this situation? This is a challenge. And as a result of which we have taken everybody, even the private sector has to be on board with us. We are also asking, I came from the video conference, I have sent an email to Secretary to ask all the private practitioners, if we come across anybody with these type of symptoms, to immediately inform either Dean Goa Medical College or Director Health Services. Then 104 is activated for the coronavirus. Yesterday only I had shared on the FDA chat. So basically what we need to do is that we need to see that we take precautions. We do not go into a situation in spite of advisory circulars issued by Government of India. I do understand that festivals and other things are sentimental issues and people like to take part in such festivals, but today we are going to a very trying time. And as far as the discussion and what I could gauge from all over the country is that people are very cautious. People want stringent guidelines so that they don't want, and what you addressed was addressed by ministers from Assam, ministers from Punjab, because they come from bordering areas. They need to actually check. Some people are bordering Nepal in UP. So those ministers also were trying to address the issue. How do we keep a control of people coming in by other modes of transport from Nepal and other regions? How do we know where they have come there? From there, if that fellow comes if that fellow is going somewhere else. But the problem with this is, if he sits somewhere, this guy who is confirmed case of coronavirus, he can infect a number of people. So problem is that, so we are seeing whatever is given to us. ना अफवा पण आहे तुमच्या ऑलरेडी ना तशें काय ना पूण कित्याक तुमच्या त्या ग्रुपाचेर सगळे घातलेले आसा. डीन हांगाच बसल्या. काल हांवें डिना कडेन चर्चा केली की काय ना दिल्या तुमी सांगा न्ही.